My name is Gbemi, XM Life Education Instructor, and today I'm going to be sharing with you 6 steps to finding high probability trades. I know we all desire to take better quality trades. We already know that it is not every trade we take that would go our way or hit our take profit, right? But we also know that we can trade better so that we can have better quality trades taken, and at the end of it all, net profit. That's what we desire, right? So what are some of the steps we can follow to help us achieve this? The first on my list is plan your trades. All right, having a trading plan in place. As a trader who desire to be successful, you want to begin to think like a businessman. Okay, and you want to consider your trading business as a world-class business that it truly is. Okay, even though it's a small one and you can trade from anywhere, but you still want to view it as a business, and that way you will just the way a businessman is going to have his business plan in place as he's beginning his business, you should also have in place your trading plan, which is going to serve as a guide, all right, to your business, that would list the processes, the things you would have in place in order for you to run your business smoothly. So what are some of these things that you should include in your plan? They have stuff like, what kind of trader are you going to be, what market are you going to be trading, what amount of time will you devote to trading, and so on and so forth. This would serve as a guide for you. There's a common business saying that if you fail to plan, you are planning to fail, and I know you do not plan to fail, my friend. That's why, very importantly, you need to put in place your trading plan. And the next on my list is that you should consider fundamental. And this is important because, you know, every currency we trade in the market belongs to a country, and whatever is happening in that economy would have impact on its currency and even the market as large. So that's why it is important to have an idea what's happening in this economy. Is it booming? Is it in recession? Is it in inflation? What's the employment rate like? What's the trade balance? You know, and so on. It isn't important or not very compulsory as a trader that you go deep into fundamental analysis. We know there are people who are just like me, who like chart analysis, technical analysis, and are still doing well in the market. So it's not like you have to go deep into fundamentals, but you need to have an idea what's happening, and this would give you help you have a bigger picture of what is happening in the market. The third of the steps is that you want to analyze what the trend of the market is. So you open up your chart. The first thing isn't to just jump into a trade. You want to analyze what is the direction of this market, what is the structure of this market. Are we trending or are we ranging? If it is trending, is it up or is it down? This way you would have a basis for the kind of trade you'll be looking out for in the market. The fourth of the steps is that you want to go for rule-based trading strategies. Okay, so if you have the setups that you like to trade, you should have rules guiding them so that you're able to tick that, okay, it meets this rule, so I'm taking the trade because I can see this confirmation factor is there, I can see that one is there. So you have set rules in place that would guide the kind of setup or strategies you're trading with. The fifth is that you want to ensure that you have proper risk to reward ratio measured. All right, you want to measure your risk to reward ratio before you enter your trade, because the goal is that our expected reward should always be bigger than our expected risk. And the last but not the least is that you should also set rules for your entry and your exit. So it isn't just about the setup, but you should also have a rule in place telling you that it is a good time to enter this trade or a good time to exit the trade. I want to believe that you find value in this few trading tips I have given you today. If you do so, please remember to subscribe to our channel and join me live on XM Live Education every single day of the week. Have a beautiful day ahead of you. Cheers.